Are you looking for an easier way to travel Lisbon but worried about all the hills in the city? Let's take a look at the yellow bus hop off and on tours that consist of a bus route and boat route with a purchase of your ticket. Let's see where it brings us. Stay tuned to end this video. About to enter and start the boat part of the yellow bus tour. Again, you're able to take the bus and the boat 2 days, 48 hours. Let's go. there you have it. That takes us to the end of this video, the yellow bus hop on and off tours. You can purchase your ticket honestly at any of the locations, but the starting location is in, it's at Praça do Figueiro, or you can head on over to the boat station, Terreiro do Passo, to purchase your ticket. Well, there you have it, man. Hope you rock with the LaBoss Show. You already know. Like that video. Comment if you would travel the official Sightseeing Lisbon tour. And subscribe if you haven't, because you're missing out. Aha! You watch LaBoss Show, baby. God bless.